In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to moderate a quiz for a student that might be allotted extra time. The important thing to note here is that moderating a quiz is a two-step process. So what I want to do to begin is I want to go to quizzes. I want to click on the quiz that I need to allot the extra time for. And then I want to go in and moderate this quiz. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to give this student an extra 30 minutes. So I want to click on the pencil, which will allow me to make changes, and I'm going to give this student an extra 30 minutes on every attempt. So you can see here, everyone already gets 60 minutes. This student is going to have an extra 30 minutes, which is a total of 90 minutes time. Okay, so I'm going to say save. So now I have a student getting an extra 30 minutes on this quiz. Perfect. What I want to do now is I want to go back out to quizzes, and I want to click on this quiz again. Because I have to make sure that this quiz is open for at least 90 minutes, which will allow all of the students to take it for their hour. My one student is going to get an extra 30 minutes, which is that 90 minutes total, which means this quiz has to be open for at least 90 minutes. Now, I often suggest to professors adding at least an extra 15 minutes on a quiz, because if a student's running late or if a student has technical difficulties getting on, you want to make sure that that student gets that full amount of time. And we're going to do that by clicking Edit. When we click Edit, if we scroll down to the bottom, this is where you're going to actually set the time for when that quiz opens and when that quiz closes. So right here you can see I have it available from March 30th at 1 p.m. and I have that quiz closing March 30th at 3 p.m. So I have a 2-hour time frame in which students can take this quiz. That means that a student that signs on at, let's say, 1:15 is going to have from 1:15 to 2:15 to finish taking this quiz. The 2-hour time frame also allows for that student that's getting the 90-minute accommodation to be able to take that quiz without running out of time or without Canvas getting cut off with a too short of a time span for the student. So this is the important step to remember. You have to make sure if you have a student that has an accommodation, you have to make sure that you account for that accommodation in the available from and available until slot.